Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. This is something we never expected to have take off like this. My name's Frank.
And I'm Carrie.
And we're gonna save the Mooreland House. It's something that we saw on Facebook, and we like to save old houses. So we put a bid in on it, and now we get to play with it for a long time.
So thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you continue to tune in and see the progress that we make.
We're going to be doing it for quite a while. It's going to be slow and steady. I know people are going to want progress quickly, but we'll do it as fast as we can, as long as we still can enjoy it.
Exactly. So thank you for joining us, and until next time.